Hello, this tutorial will teach you where your Google Apps are. So if you open up a new tab and automatically go to either google.com, or if you have Google already set as your default, you're going to go up where your icon is at, go to whichever account you would like, and this right here is the waffle, like I like to call it, which is your Google Apps. If you click on it, there's many different options that Google offers within their platform. And you can scroll down. The algorithms will allow you to have the ones that you use the most at the top. If you click on More from G Suite Marketplace, you can see all of the options that there are. You can click in here to search them. If you're just looking for other stuff, stuff that you don't know that you might like, just look over here on the left-hand side. There are many, many options. Take the time to play around and get to know what you like. These ones are add-ons. And there you have it. Open up a tab, go to google.com, or if you already have your default set to Google, go to the account that you would like, and click on your apps. I like to call it your waffle. Thank you.